So I have a 1999 Ford F250, and what it's doing is, if you're driving or just have the truck on and you use the turn signals, they do not work, and they were making a buzzing, screeching noise the other day, but the hazards do work though. But no turn signals. So what I found is, back behind here, you just undo this bolt, and this bolt. It's just a Phillips head, and then you can kind of lift up this cover a little bit, and there is this plug back here, this white plug, and my plug was kind of just barely hanging in there, and then I pushed it in and it clicked in, and now the turning signals are back to working.